Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make vegan chocolate cake. It's very easy to make and it's so chocolatey, so let's get started. In a big mixing bowl you are going to add your coconut oil, coconut milk, vanilla extract, and you are going to mix this until combined. You are going to sift your dry ingredients over your flour, powdered sugar, cocoa powder, salt, baking powder, and soda. You are going to sift them over and then mix them using your whisk. Mix until all ingredients are incorporated. Using a spatula, scrape the sides of the bowl to make sure that everything is combined. Now your batter is ready and we are going to prepare our tin. So I have here an 8-inch tin and I'm going to grease it with non-stick cooking spray and line it with parchment paper. This will prevent your cake from sticking. Now pour your batter in and smooth it out on top. Our cake is ready to go into the oven and you're going to bake this for 40 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Our vegan cake came out of the oven and it's cooled down. I'm going to turn it over on a cooling rack to cool completely. Don't forget to remove the parchment paper from the bottom. Now let your cake cool completely and we are going to prepare our ganache. For the ganache, in a bowl I will add my dark chocolate and the coconut milk. I'm going to microwave this until completely melted and stir every 30 seconds. My ganache is ready and now I'm going to pour it over the cake. Our chocolate vegan cake is ready and you can serve it right away. You can find all of the tools I use in the description box below. Thank you for watching guys, hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.